Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you the secrets to making a Nigerian roadside akara. Yes, you stop buying akara every Saturday now. And this time we'll be using bean flour. Gone are the days when you want to make akara and you start from the scratch. Bean flour is the real deal, trust me, and you still get that roadside akara. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on other videos that I'll be dropping soon. Now, we're going to be using bean flour, like I mentioned earlier. And then the number one secret is the water you use in making or dissolving the bean flour. You want to use warm water. Warm water, guys. Don't forget. Now, the second secret is how you mix it. Now, you want to mix it to get a very good consistency. You want to be in between. You do not want it to be too watery or too liquid or running, and you do not want it to be too thick. So, you add the warm water and mix thoroughly. You do not want it to have lumps as well. Remember, you're trying to achieve the roadside akara. So mix very well, take your time, remove any form of lumps. And then the third secret is to cover it and allow it to sit. When you use bean flour, remember to cover and allow it to sit for at least 30 to 45 minutes and you're good. Now here I've added my pepper and onions and then seasoning cube. Now, this is where the other secret comes in. You want to mix very well. You know the roadside akara, they always use the mortar and pestle and mix thoroughly. So yeah, if you don't have a mixer, you can use whatever means of turning or mixing you have. Just the aim is to mix thoroughly. Mix, 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 and beating air into the batter. That's what you want to achieve. So you have a fluffy akara mixture. Now, your oil should not be too hot so that immediately you put in the akara, it doesn't just start burning. Do you understand? You want the oil to be hot enough to cook the akara mixture. Remember, we are trying to achieve the roadside akara. So you stop buying akara outside. Remember. Now, don't let your oil be too hot so that your mixture or your akara will done and not get burnt. So you pour in your akara mixture into the oil, allow it to cook. It will take about, let's say, 10 minutes, and your akara, you can flip to the other side, your akara would almost be ready. You see how it's floating. Now, the secret to making it float like this is beating it. When you beat it or you mix it thoroughly, you beat in air into the batter and then you get your floating akara. If you do not mix it well and you find your akara not floating, then you know that you didn't beat in enough air into the akara. So take your time to mix thoroughly the akara, beating enough air into the akara mixture batter so you get a floating akara and thereby achieving the roadside akara. Remember the secret. Beat in air thoroughly into the akara mixture and then you allow to fry and cook and your akara, roadside akara. Remember, roadside akara is ready. So you stop buying akara from the roadside on Saturdays now, right? So, guys, tell me if you try out this recipe and let me know. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share the video so you get notification on other videos like this. Let me know what you think about this akara recipe. Will you be trying it? Thanks for watching.